Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel Guide. This is me Israr Ahmed. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to edit your videos 10x faster. For that you should do your Premiere Pro settings and change the shortcuts. Before that, subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Please must like and give the thumb to this video. So I'm doing really hard work for you people just. So let's jump on. Just open your Premiere Pro. So it's really easy to do it. Your settings. Just press new file and give name settings and change the folder everywhere. But I have changed it already. I have done it. So let's open it. So when you open this, click here in Windows and just click workspace, reset to save layout. Okay, just click it here and it will reset it definitely. Okay, just bring the project menu here and just close this. Now you have just menu here and where's the effects is here, just bring it here. So okay, this is good. Now just close this all. Okay, now you have closed it. Just bring your timeline here. So it is the timeline and it is the main menu. Now here it is, you can see the properties. To go to Windows and then effect controls. Okay, so when you find effect controls, so here is it, effect controls. Just bring it in the side of properties, so it will be really good. Now it is good. Just push it here. Okay, till here it is good. Now I just push this one as well here. Okay, now I have set this main screen. Now just come to edit and preferences, general. So when you come to general, so you have to change a lot of settings from here. Just go to appearance. You need to white or dark or default, which is really good. Okay, now it is this, I think this one is good because it will show on the numbers. Just go to auto save. Just here it is written like 5 minutes. Just do it one. And now you have to change it 20 Premiere projects, so you should make it one. Auto save must be on. I will give the location where save the settings folder as well. So just go to that and make it. Okay, here and here. Now settings. Now here it is good. Premiere, where is Premiere? So it is good here. Media cache. Okay, so now here it is written like 90 days. Just click on it and just press it 7 days, so it will be really good. Now where is the browse, just where you have saved the settings, so just do it there. Okay, so now settings, Premiere. Okay, so it will be really good. Okay, move, sorry, just here how many I just need it, like now I just need 6 GB for that. And now come to timeline. When you come to timeline, here you should just select the frame and just press it. Two frames are good. Page scroll and no scroll, so it is really good. So let's save it. Now you have saved these all the settings. Okay, when you bring it here, so you want to press K, control K, so it will split. So it is taking much more time and your hand is too slow in that. So just press control alt K or control alt K, or you should go to edit and keyboard shortcuts, so it will auto come. Okay, control alt key and just press add, edit. Okay, just now here edit S and here Control Shift key, so Shift S is fine. Just try enable, so it will show you Control Shift E is the shortcut, so just remove that. And D is disable and enable snap tool. You should write it snap in timeline, it is really good. Control W is the shortcut of snap. Shuttle left and shuttle right should be like F1 should be shuttle left and shuttle right F3, and now shuttle stop should be like F2, so just remove the key. So these are removed. And now keyframe interpolation is in is out. So just for is in we want to do it key, and is out just want to do J. So now just write it link. So link is Control L, just now press L. Ripple delete, so for that it is Shift delete, so you should do what? X should be like write it projects, the shortcut will be like okay, just Shift 1, so just remove it. Shift Z will be effects, remove it and write it like Shift X effect and just Shift C properties. Okay, so now you have write it properties, so it is really good to make it the shortcut of properties. Shift V should be the shortcut of properties. Just match frame, okay, match frame should be only F, so just write it Control Shift F, okay, clear. Okay, so just delete should be there, so you should write it F. Premiere all timeline, like this was little like light color, so it is dark pink, so let's change it. Just go to edit, preferences and general. When you come to general, now just come here in labels. When you come to labels, here you can see default, so you just do it classic, so it will good. Now you have done your settings as well. Okay, so now just press S, so it will split. Now when it is like 2 or 3 layers, so you want to split it, Shift S should be the shortcut. Now you want to disable something, just press D. If you want to delete something, press F. Ripple delete, so just press X, so it will be like good. Just press Shift Z for projects. Effects you want to bring, Shift X and Shift C for effect controls, and Shift V for properties, which is really good. Now this was the setting. You should edit your videos fast and easy. Please must subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks, have a great day, bye.